Assalamu alaikum everyone! Welcome to a new episode from Linguamid. Do you have a French friend? Or have you been learning French lately or have any idea about French, some words, some phrases? Then this episode is for you. I am selecting 5 important words in Egyptian that are inherited from French. These are car-related words, so if you are driving a car, it's an added advantage. So let's start right away. Direction. If you have been learning French, you will know that direction is a direction in French, okay? So we use direction to mean the steering wheel, okay, of the car. So we say direction in Egyptian. We say direction. So أنا ماسك, I am holding el dirección, the steering wheel. I'm holding the steering wheel. أنا ماسك الدركسيون. Okay, so we use it. So we say always dirección to mean the steering wheel. Another important word, which is the radiateur. Okay, radiateur. I think you guessed it right. It's from radiator in English, radiateur in French, and we say it exactly like the French say it. So radiateur. Okay, so radiateur becomes radiateur. So, and you will hear Egyptians say this all the time if there's a problem in this part in their cars. And if you go to a workshop, you will hear, of course, this word a lot if you want to get this part fixed. Okay, so radiateur. Another very important word is a kabut. So if you had a problem in your car in Egypt and you went to the mechanic and the mechanic tells you, please open the car hood. He'll tell you, من فضلك افتح الكبوت, open the car hood. So kabut is the car hood, and we adopted this word from French and we use it all the time. Okay, so kabut is the car hood in Egyptian, which is exactly the same as kabut in French. So now let's move to another important word. But before we move to this word, make sure to start your Egyptian Arabic journey by enrolling in my free course, 100% free course, Egyptian Arabic 101. I'm having the link for the enrollment for you in the comment section below, the first comment, and also in the description box. So make sure to check it out and enroll for free. And also don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel, and also leave me a comment and tell me what you think about these words. Now this word, the very important word, which is the car frame. We say in Egyptian, الشاسيه. Yes, exactly, which is exactly the same French word chassis, which means the frame. Okay, so we say chassis. And when we say chassis in Egyptian, we mean the frame of the car. We don't mean any frame, just the frame of the car. Okay, so for example, if an Egyptian told you الشاسيه اتعوج, شاسيه العربية اتعوج, what does this mean? So شاسيه العربية, which is the frame of the car, عربية is a car. اتعوج, it means it was deformed. So he or she had an accident, of course, and there was a problem in the car, and there's a problem in the chassis and on the frame of the car, and they tell you that الشاسيه اتعوج, or the frame was deformed. Okay, so الشاسيه in Egyptian is the frame of the car. So while you are in the workshop and for example the mechanic tells you, please press the gas pedal, okay, press it so I can hear the gas or look for anything. So he'll tell you either دوس بنزين or دوس accélérateur. Okay, accélérateur. So accélérateur, this is from accélérateur in French. You can also think of accelerator in English, which means the gas pedal in English. Okay, so gas pedal, we say accélérateur in Egyptian also to mean the gas pedal. But to be honest with you, I didn't hear it a lot as an Egyptian. Maybe it was used in the past, but it's a known word in Egyptian. Usually today we say دوس بنزين. Okay, press gas. Press gas. Okay, دوس بنزين.
أنا سعيدة، أنا فرحانة. اجري أوام. دوس بنزين على الآخر.
بس يمكن يحصل حاجة.
دوس press gas بنزين. We usually say this in Egyptian more, but accélérateur, it's also a known word and have been used for some time in Egyptian, so it's worth mentioning here. So now you are equipped with very important 5 words from French. And these words are correlated, so if you go in Egypt to a mechanic and tell him one of these words, it will be really interesting and really funny, and you will impress the mechanic actually. An important note that I want to tell you that Egyptian, it has this phenomena, okay? So, or this phenomenon of different words that are collected into one language. And as you learn Egyptian and know many vocabulary, you will get to know different words from different languages, and this will not only enrich your knowledge of Egyptian, but it will also enrich your knowledge in other languages. So it is an added advantage. So I'm very happy to give you this video, and if you have any question, don't hesitate to drop me a comment below. Also, don't forget, as I told you before, to check the comment section and enroll for free in my Egyptian Arabic 101 course. This is a fundamental course if you want to learn Egyptian Arabic, give you the foundation that you need. And also, if you want to like this video and subscribe to the channel, you are most welcome. I'll be very happy for this. Thanks a lot for watching, and let's meet in a future episode.